Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to change the orientation of your document between portrait and landscape. This means you can switch the layout of your page. Portrait is taller and landscape is wider. Let's get started. Once your document is open, navigate to and select Layout. Then select Orientation. There are two options, Portrait and Landscape. By default, your document will be in Portrait. If you select Landscape, your document will be wider. Once you change the orientation like this, be mindful that all the pages in your document will have the same orientation, in this case, Landscape. If you wanted to change the orientation of your document back to Portrait, you can select Orientation, and then select Portrait. If you want to change the orientation of one page only whilst keep the orientation same for other pages, you can do that as well. So as you can see, I have page 1 and page 2 laid out on the screen. I can change the orientation of page 2 by first selecting page 1, meaning having the cursor on page 1. Then, select Breaks, and then Next Page. This has now separated page 2 from my document. I can now change the orientation of page 2. It will not change the orientation of page 1. However, it will follow the same orientation for the rest of the pages in the document. If I only wanted page 2 to be in landscape orientation, what I can do is select page 2, then Breaks, then Next Page. I can then select page 3 and change the orientation to Portrait. This way, all the other pages in my document will be in Portrait orientation and only page 2 in landscape orientation. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helps you. Please like and share our video so we can continue to make more videos.